we're gonna learn how to tie the Valdotain Tresse, or VT, climbing hitch. I'm gonna use a stitched I&I prusik cord. We're going to start somewhere about the middle. You'll figure this out once you have your preferences figured out for your climbing hitch. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start at the bottom and we're gonna wrap the cord up. The number of wraps is dependent on your preference. I'm gonna do 4. But then what's important is that this top part of the cord comes down like so and gets captured by the other end. So you form this braid or this X right here. And then you're gonna do the opposite on this side. So you're capturing what was on top is now on bottom and capturing that. Okay. So then I'm gonna bring both of the eyes together. For the sake of demonstration, I'm going to add a carabiner. You can add usually some sort of pulley or hitch climber to this, and then the carabiner, but I don't have one on me right now. So what I've done is I've created 4 wrap, 2 braid VT, right? And you can have a 3 wrap, 3 braid VT, or whatever combination you prefer. This is something that you'll have to experiment with. But this is another climbing hitch that will move up the rope, but as soon as you load it, it will capture, right? And this allows us, as climbing, it allows us to have this controlled descent down the line until we stop pushing down, and then it will capture our progress. Does not have to be strictly for climbing, can be used with mechanical advantage systems. But the disadvantage of this knot, even though it's easy to tie, is that it is rather long. There are shorter prusiks that you can use. But this is probably one of the first prusiks you will learn because it is generally easy to tie. That is the VT climbing hitch.